Hello everyone, so let's give you a tutorial on how to doodle mesh Burndead today. So what you need to do is to draw a straight line and draw his mushroom head first by drawing a semicircle and then just shape it a little bit. Afterwards, we need to draw a zigzag along the straight line, which I guess is not that much difficult thing to do. I actually tried my best to deliver this tutorial through the easiest way, and as you can see, I'm mixing both structural and the freehand methods, which is making it look less complicated. So stay with me till the end of this video, and in the end, don't forget to like and comment about this. And I'll be extremely glad if you take a look into my other tutorials, will you? So this line is for the eyes, and after this we have to draw a center line. Not gonna lie, drawing such lines while drawing helps a lot. And as you know, his eyes are right below the hair, which is a plus point while drawing. Like, we won't have to struggle and find its actual place because we know it's already right below the hair. And if there was a distance between them, we would have to stop in between and think where the eye should be located. So likewise, we have to draw the other eye between these two lines. I mean between the hair and this line for the eyes that I drew earlier. And then a little line for the nose between those eyes right at the center line, and then we need to draw a basic face shape. And there's a cream puff right below his nose, and I'm drawing a circle first to draw it because it's round and we won't be messing up with this shape. Cream puff is ready, and now to draw his hand, I'm drawing a little structure like this. It actually consists of two trapeziums meeting each other at their bases. And then you just need to draw the fingers in the upper trapezium and the palm in the lower one. And if you want more tutorials like this in the future, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You subscribing to my channel here has two advantages. First, you're gonna get notified every time when I post a new video. And second is, it gives me courage and energy to keep posting such tutorials whenever I see a new subscribers and encouraging comments about my tutorials from you guys. It just gives me motivation to keep going. Everything is done, and now you just need to draw his uniform. If you are just doodling in your class, you can leave the sketch like this. But if you are drawing it neat, then you have to remove it a bit and then do the outline neatly. And then there comes shading. And what is the shading? Just shading the hair and his uniform. Let's draw some straight line at his neck too, and I think it's about to complete. And don't forget to subscribe everyone and like this video too. Bye!